First BTech second semester regular examinations, network analysis, set number 1, branch ECE, JNT Kakinada. Part A 2 marks questions 10 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సిలబస్ 5 యూనిట్లు కాబట్టి ఒక్కొక్క యూనిట్ నుంచి 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ లెక్క 2 5లు 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడం జరిగింది. 2 into 10 20 మార్క్స్ అన్నమాట. రైట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ స్టోర్డ్ బై an indicator and capacitor. State maximum power of transfer theorem. What is the time constant of a circuit having R is equal to 5 ohms, L is equal to 0.2 H? What is the behavior of inductor and capacitor? T is equal to infinity for DC excitation. What is the relation between the real power, reactive power and operant power? What is J operator? A series RLC circuit have following parameters: R is equal to 2 ohms, L is equal to 38 mu H and C is equal to 44 mu F. Calculate the resonant frequency. Define mutual inductance. Draw the symmetrical twin T network. What is the different types of connection of two-port network? Part B. టోటల్గా సిలబస్ 5 యూనిట్లు, ఒక్కొక్క యూనిట్ నుంచి 10 మార్కులు క్వశ్చన్ అటెండ్ చేసే విధంగా 5 యూనిట్ల నుంచి 5 10లు 50 మార్కులు క్వశ్చన్ అనేటువంటిది పేపర్ అనేటువంటిది ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఎదురు ఆర్ టైపు చాయిస్ పట్టినది కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్లో ఏ ఫర్ ద సర్క్యూట్ షో ఫైండ్ పవర్ సప్లై 10 volts source using mesh analysis. Find the value of RL. Find the value of RL for the network shown in figure. Result in maximum power transfer. Also find the value of maximum power. In the circuit show figure, determine all branch current and the voltage across 5 ohms resistor by node analysis. Find the Thevenin and not equivalent for the circuit show in the figure with respect to terminals AB. A capacitor in RC circuit with R is equal to 25 ohms and C is equal to 50 mu F is being charged with initial 0 voltage. What is the time taken for capacitor voltage to reach 40% of steady state value? Next, 5 in a RC circuit having a time constant of 2.5 ms, the capacitor discharges with initial voltage of 80 volts. Find the time at which capacitor voltage reaches 55V, 30V and 10V. Calculate the capacitor voltage at a time 1.2 ms, 3 ms and 8 ms. Bలో ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చారు, జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. అండ్ 6th in the arrangement show in the figure, calculate impedance between AB and the phase angle between voltage and current. Also calculate the total power consumed if the applied voltage between AB is 200 less than 30 degree. A resistance R is series with a capacitor C is connected to 50 Hz to 40 volts. Find the value of C is, so the R absorb 300 watts at 100 volts. Find also maximum charge and maximum energy stored in C. A resistance 7 is connected in series with a pure inductance of 31.8 mH and the circuit is connected to a 100 volts 50 Hz. Sinusoidal supply calculate 1 circuit current, 2 phase angle, 3 power factor, 4 power. When 220 volts AC supply is applied across AB terminals for the circuit shown in figure, power input is 3.25 kilowatts and the current is 20 amps. Find the current through Z3. For the circuit shown in the figure, find A. the resonant and half power frequencies, B. calculate the quality factor and bandwidth, C. determine the amplitude of the current at calculate the total inductance. Find the circuit as shown in the figure. Find resonant frequency and corresponding current in each branch. Find the 2 port parameters H12 and Y12 for the network shown. This is the 10 lo A and B ఒకటి మర్చిపోయామండి 9th లోది. Calculate the total inductance అని. Okay, 10th lo B. Select the value RA, RB and RC in the circuit show so that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 34 ohms, C is equal to 20 ms and D is equal to 1.4. 11th, find the Y parameters for the network shown. Find the S domain expression for the H parameter circuit shown. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 network analysis 4 sets పేపర్స్ కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Please check in my videos. Thank you.